where whether the value for the x, that is the value for the real root, exists or not, possible or not. Same way you can get the statement also. That means in the statement form also they can ask whether the given situation for the particular data is possible or not, right? So what do we do? First we, according to the given statement, first we convert into the quadratic equation, and once we get the quadratic equation, then we find the discriminant, right? If we get the discriminant in our favor, that our favor means in the favor of real roots, right? Then that condition will decide whether the given situation for the given statement is possible or not. Let's see one of these statements. That is the question number 4 for exercise 4.4. See, the sum of the ages of two friends, present ages of course, is given 20 years. First condition. I am again repeating. The sum of the present ages of two friends is given 20 years, right? And the condition given 4 years ago, the product of their ages was 48 years, right? So this condition we have to convert, right? So how we start? Let the present age, of course solution part, let the present age of one of the friend be x years, therefore age of another friend be 20 minus x years, because the sum is given 20. So out of 20, one will be assumed as a x years, so another will be of course 20 minus x, right? Now according to question you see 4 years ago the product of their ages, right? So see, what is the present age? X. So what will be 4 years ago? What was the age 4 years ago? Of course x minus 4. 4 years ago, that is 4 years back, that is minus 4. And product, so of course you will take 2 bracket. Present, another friend, present age is 20 minus x. 4 years ago minus 4. And the product of both the ages is 48 years. Right? Now work out on these brackets. X minus 4 and of course 20 minus 4. What is it? 16 minus x. Right? Number you will subtract, equal to 48. Now open the bracket. X into 16. What do we get? 16x. Then x into x, minus x square. Then minus 4 into 16, 64. Right? And minus of minus plus 4x equal to 48. Now rearrange. Minus x square plus 16x plus 4x minus 64 minus 48 equal to 0. Right? Now see the next part. Minus x square, I'll write minus x square. See the like term, 16x and 4x is the like term, so we can add it. So what do we get? 16 and 4, we get here 20x, clear? And minus 64 and minus 48. Similar sign, you will add it. So you will get here minus 8 and 4, 12, 2 carry 1. 6 and 4, 10 and 1, 11. Okay. So change the sign. So I'll get here x square minus 20x plus 112 that is 112 equal to 0. Okay. See, always you try to maintain the coefficient of x square as a positive value. Okay. So that's why I'll multiply it with the negative sign and hold the quadratic equation. Right. Now find the discriminant. What is the d? D is the b square minus 4ac. Right. Discriminant only will decide whether the given condition for the given statement is possible or not. Given situation, possible or not. Now what is the b? You can see here b is the x coefficient, that is minus 20 square 4a. What is the a here? Nothing, that is 1, and the c, that is 112. So see, 20 square minus 20 square, we get 400 minus of minus plus minus c, 4 1 is 4 and 112 into 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4. What I get here? Minus 48. Negative value we are getting here. So here discriminant is smaller than 0. Right? Hence real roots for x does not exist. Right? Therefore we can say, therefore given condition, a given situation is not possible. Given situation is not possible. And the situation was for what? For the ages. You can write, therefore given situation, you can add one more thing here. Given situation for the ages is not possible. Okay?